Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting right now. Open the headset's controller menu and confirm which unit is missing so you don't guess. Once identified, trigger the built-in find or ping function from the headset or companion app. That forces the controller to emit sound or light. Make sure to scan the room methodically. Check under cushions, behind furniture, and in pockets, because most controllers are within arm's reach of where you last used them. Now expand the search using tools and a plan. Mentally retrace the last 10 to 15 minutes of play and revisit each spot. Once done, use a flashlight or your phone camera to peer into tight gaps and under furniture. Angled light reveals edges. Next, run a Bluetooth scanner app to check signal strength. Move slowly and watch for rising RSSI numbers to home in on the controller. Make sure to check bags, under chairs, and behind speakers. If you locate it, power cycle the headset and controller and resync to guarantee a stable connection. This clears transient pairing errors. If you can't find it, replace or recharge batteries and confirm firmware is current before trying again. To avoid repeats, attach wrist straps, label each controller, and establish a consistent storage spot. Troubleshooting tip: if the controller never appears on Bluetooth, try a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.